TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 9 a.m. Eastern time Thursday morning, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. We got markets in negative territory, but off of the lows right now. Dow futures off 164 points, trading 29,359. We had been more than 100 points below where we're trading at right now in the Dow, though. S&Ps down 17 points at 33.63. We were as low as about 33.48, so 15 S&P points we've spiked since that low. NASDAQ off 67 points at 95.58. The 10-year yield, 1.605%. You see the chart of the S&P. Last night, 6:45 p.m. Eastern Time, the news breaks that the numbers of the coronavirus patients and death toll climbing in China as they're reclassifying how they diagnose people infected. That number, 15,152 new cases, 254 additional deaths, having to do with now including a diagnosis method of just whether it's a chest imaging, chest x-ray, as opposed to the actual test itself. So that number climbing, hitting the markets. For some context, there's your spike in the Dow from about 29,541, the low last night. Early this morning, 29,247. We're at 29,364. S&Ps last night traded from about 33.80, just above that level, record prices in the S&P, to a low in the S&P of 33.48. We're now at 33.63. NASDAQ 100, similar action, the low last night of 95.12. We're now trading near 95.58. Crude oil trading with the market, making some overnight lows of $50.60, almost $1.50 from where you were at last evening. We're now back above 51 at 51.34. Gold contract trading inverse with the market, trading higher overnight. We're at 15.77. And natural gas, we get inventories this morning, an hour and a half from right now, 10:30 a.m. Tom and I will be on the air. Natural gas trading at 186.04. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, one of the headlines that you will probably see today, Tesla shares falling, but not too dramatically. We'll pull up that chart in a moment. After the company announces a $2 billion common stock offering, you can't blame them for going to the public with some of their shares at this price. Tesla shares down to about $737 from $767 on that news. And putting things in context a bit, Tesla, $138 billion company at this valuation. The run-up it's had is remarkable, so I can't blame them for going to the public for some shares. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live at 9 o'clock. And don't forget, Basil Chapman, right after Tom's show tonight, 90-minute webinar for the opening call subscribers. Check it out on the front page of TFNN.com and be in there tonight at 4 o'clock. Thanks, folks. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now.